Ever feel like your potential is burning inside you, but your body just won't move? You dream big, building something incredible, writing a book, leveling up your life. But when it's time to start, you freeze. Not because you don't care, but because something's off. You say, I'll start tomorrow, but tomorrow quietly becomes never. You scroll your phone, binge another show, and a part of you whispers, you're wasting your life. And it hurts. If that sounds like you, listen closely, because you're not lazy, you're stuck. And today, we're going to fix that. Let's get real. You're not broken, you're just overwhelmed. You don't procrastinate because you're weak. You procrastinate because your brain is wired for survival, not success. And your brain, it sees anything big, scary, or uncertain as a threat. So instead of writing that first page, you refresh Instagram. Instead of hitting the gym, you hit next episode. That's not laziness. That's self-protection. Your brain is choosing comfort over progress, safety over change. But here's the truth they don't teach in school. Comfort is a liar. It feels good now, but it slowly eats your future. Think about this. When was the last time you truly felt proud of yourself? Not just happy, not just entertained. I'm talking proud. Pride doesn't come from comfort. It comes from doing the hard things, from showing up even when you don't feel like it. Here's why most ambitious people feel lazy. You look at your dream like a mountain, and your brain screams, that's too much, too far, too hard, so you don't even take the first step. Want to write a book? Your brain shows you 300 blank pages. Want to get fit? Your brain shows you a year of grueling workouts. Want to build a business? Your brain shows you failure, confusion, and pain. So you do nothing, because doing nothing feels easier than facing the entire mountain. But guess what? You don't climb a mountain in one leap. You climb it one step at a time. You write a book one sentence at a time. You get fit one workout at a time. You change your life one small choice at a time. Let's break it down into a battle plan, because this is war. You versus the version of you that's wasting time. Truth number 1. Make it stupidly small, big goals. Crush motivation. Small goals, they build it. Want to learn guitar? Don't aim to practice 1 hour a day. Just aim to pick it up and strum for 2 minutes. Want to start a business? Don't write a 50-page plan, just Google one thing today. Small wins give your brain a shot of dopamine. That's your momentum fuel. Truth number 2. Build routines, not willpower. Willpower is like a phone battery. It dies by 2 p.m. But routines are like solar panels. They charge you without effort. If you want to write every day, don't wait until you feel like it. Set a time, same place, same environment. Turn it into a ritual. 5 minutes of writing at 7 a.m. every single day. Success isn't about being motivated all the time. It's about building systems that don't need motivation. Truth number 3. Use the 2-minute rule. Want to beat resistance? Outsmart it. Tell your brain, I'll just do this for 2 minutes. That's it. 2 minutes of reading, 2 minutes of cleaning, 2 minutes of walking. You won't want to stop, because starting is the hardest part. And once you start, momentum kicks in. Here's something no one tells you. Failure is not your biggest enemy. Perfectionism is. You wait to start because you want it to be perfect. But perfect is a myth. Perfect is the excuse your brain uses to avoid starting. Newsflash. The people you admire, they didn't wait to be perfect. They started messy, they made mistakes, they learned and adjusted. You don't need a flawless plan. You need action. Tiny, consistent, imperfect action. Think of your dream like a fire. Right now, it's just a spark, a small flicker inside you. If you do nothing, the spark fades. But if you feed it with tiny actions, daily routines, 2-minute wins, that spark grows. Soon, it's a flame, then a blaze, then a wildfire. You don't need to build the fire in one night. You just need to keep it alive. Imagine yourself 5 years from now. Where are you? Still stuck in this loop? Still saying, I'll start tomorrow? Still making excuses while your dreams rust away? Or are you the person who finally woke up, took control, and made a change? Your future self is begging you, don't waste more time. Start now. Even if it's small, even if it's messy, just start. So here's your new rule. Ambition without action is just fantasy. You want to win? Stop scrolling and start stepping. Do these 3 things starting today. 1. Shrink the task. Make it so small it feels silly not to do it. 2. Create simple routines. Make your future automatic. 3. Use the 2-minute rule. Start before you talk yourself out of it. No more waiting. No more self-sabotage. No more guilt. You are not lazy. You are powerful. Just untrained. But starting today, you train. So, what's your next small step? Go take it. Then come back tomorrow and do it again and again and again. Because consistency beats intensity, and small steps build big lives. This is your spark. Go build your fire.